Hello everyone, my name is Jayamit Kumar Mehta. I am a chartered accountant and a certified public accountant. I completed my CA in 2018 in first attempt and I completed my CPA in the year 2020. I am a resident of Morbi and since 2014 I have been in Ahmedabad for my further studies. From the day one when I reached Ahmedabad, Navkar has been very supportive to me. It would not be wrong to say that Navkar is the backbone of my professional journey. Even in these tough times of COVID-19, where companies are actually laying off employees, I secured a job at Citrin Cooperman India with the full support of Navkar Placement Services. So, from starting CA till completing CPA and even after that for job placement, Navkar has been very helpful, very supportive and has led me to a path where I can actually fulfill my goals and destinations. For this job opportunity, this CA and this CPA, I would first of all like to thank Almighty God, my parents, my grandparents. It's because of their blessings only that I am where I am today. I would specifically like to thank Hitesh sir for his unflinching support to each and every student of Navkar on our way to become either CA or any other professional journey like CS, CMA, etc. The thing that amazes me most about Hitesh sir is the level of positivity he brings around the entire organization. In terms of education, Navkar has one of the most effective, most persistent and most helpful faculties that any student can find in an institute. They are always there to guide you, to mentor you, and even to scold you if anything goes wrong. Also, one of the highlighting features of Navkar is that it has a robust examination mechanism which helps students what to do and how to prepare for the examination. Hitesh sir always used to say that never ever forget the sacrifice that your parents made for you. Always obey and respect your parents and never let success get into your heads because that's when your downfall starts. Always be on the ground. Always be humble. There is no secret mantra to success. The only way forward is to be as kind as possible and to give back to the society. I would also like to thank Urvish sir, who has been instrumental in the path for CA and even guiding during my studies in CPA. Urvish sir has a very unique way of making students study. He always believed that if you don't know anything, that's not wrong. But if you don't know anything, you know that and you don't ask the right question, then it's a blunder. Never ever be afraid of asking small questions because those questions are such which gives you clarity on a subject and which boosts your moral confidence. That has been very instrumental, especially to me, in thinking the way I think about how we can study a particular subject or a particular topic. At last, I would like to thank the entire Navkar staff because of which the Navkar has been the brand name which it is today. It's since 23 years that Navkar has been running successfully since 1997 and they have only one slogan, we believe in the best. So at last, I can say with pride that yes, we believe in the best. Thank you.